on our way to the toll run. It is about 38 degrees, about 8 o'clock in the morning. So it is pretty freaking cold for Texas. Rain or shine, baby, we ride for the kids. West County Toll Run 22 on the way, baby. The toll run doesn't really start till about like 10, 11, something like that. People will start showing up early, of course. But man, there's a lot that goes on. The toll run's gonna be at this place called NRS Ranch, and this year is gonna be inside the arena because we're expecting some bad weather. Because of that, they spent all day yesterday setting up for the toll run. It's a lot of work, man. A lot of stuff that happens behind the scenes. But hey, it's all for the kids. Race MC, baby, that's what I'm talking about. There's nowhere else I would rather be right now. But right here with my brothers. Headed to the toll run to do some good for the kids, man. And I don't know about you guys, but I love this view right here. Everybody side by side. All brothers riding together. In a few hours, we are hoping to have all of this place full with bikes. Hopefully the weather holds so everybody gets on their bikes and rides to this event. Or even if they cannot ride, they can show up on their cars, so we really don't care. As long as they got money to spend, baby. Because like I said, it's all for the kids. We're getting ready to take off, baby, to get this right on the way. One thing I enjoy about the toll run is we get to ride some of this beautiful West County country, man. West County's got some beautiful back roads to offer. So the plan is that we're gonna ride through here to some of these back roads, then we're gonna ride right by the square of Decatur, if I'm not mistaken, then right at the square of Bridgeport. That covers some of the biggest towns here in West County. The toll run do benefits all of West County. Alright, we are leaving Bridgeport, and I want to point now that there's still bikes coming into Bridgeport. Which that's great, man. Look at all of this. That is awesome. We made a big loop through Bridgeport, through the square and everything, and look, we're heading back to Decatur now, to the NRS ranch. And look at all these bikes, baby. That is awesome to see. Bikes still coming in. Wow. And also, this is not just open to motorcycles. Look at that, the Jeeps, baby. So we got a lot of Jeeps too that go on the parade. It's pretty much a big parade. Police escorted. We shut down the whole highway. We got Jeeps. We got more motorcycles back here. I don't know what he's doing back there. Look at all them Jeeps, baby. Haha. West County touring on the way, baby. Look at that. That is nice. And that's the end of it right there. If you feel like you have a cool car to look at, then bring it. West County Toll Run is at the NRS Ranch in Decatur, Texas. It takes all year to plan it. It is not something that we just get together in December and start putting it together. No, we go to meetings every month, all year round, to make sure that it's going to be safe and it's going to be fun for everybody. Live band, live music, lots of food vendors, lots of good food, by the way, lots of vendors, you know, motorcycle gear, anything motorcycle related. It's a lot of fun, man. I've been coming to this toll run for about almost 10 years now, and I have a great time every time I come over here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off right here. I want to thank you all for coming along. I want to thank you all for watching the video. And if you're one of those people that is here at the toll run, I really appreciate you coming on behalf of everybody that make this toll run happen, which is, it's a lot of people, a lot of moving parts. So thank you all for watching the video. Thank you all for coming along. Really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If this is your first time coming to my channel, hit the subscribe button for me. Make sure you support your boy Bullseye. Make sure you support those who support you. And I'll see you guys next time.